the best in production number. Best in production number goes to candidate number. Number. Okay, the winner for best in production number is candidate number 2.
Yes! Hiloko!
Requesting the parents, the guardians of the winner, please come over to the stage.
Click here to make your very own monster unadapted mind, where your mom.
Picture of our parents. Our next minor award, Best Speaker. Who do you think is the winner? Best Speaker goes to candidate number 2. Let's go to our next minor award, Best in Uniform. Who do you think is the winner? The winner for Best in Uniform goes to candidate number 4. Best in
Galago to jud ko ang music jud ha. Na. Ano man jud? Asa ba ni nabikiling musikan ni? Lis di na buwar.
Now, let's award the Best in Talent. Who do you think the winner for Best in Talent number? The winner for Best in Talent goes to candidate number 2. Now our last minor award, the Best in Festival Costume. We have the Best Costume. The winner for Best in Festival Costume goes to